Hi, I'm Rick Kelly, owner and driver here at Nissan Motorsport in the Australian Supercars Championship. Here at Nissan Motorsport, we proudly use Snap-on tools on all our race cars. Right now, there are some amazing opportunities across Australia and New Zealand for you to become a Snap-on franchisee. Let's have a chat to our local Snap-on franchisee, Danny Hill, to find out all the benefits of becoming part of the Snap-on family. Hi, Danny.
Hi, Rick.
So tell us a little bit about what it's like to be a Snap-on franchisee.
Well, it's a fantastic experience, but why don't I show you the truck?
That'd be great. It's always exciting when the Snap-on truck rolls up. Tell us a little bit about your truck.
Well, it's a showroom on wheels that I can take to customers' workplaces and actually take them the tools that they need to do their job without them having to leave their work.
There's an incredible range of products in here. Danny, talk us through some of the range.
Well, we've got tool storage, Rick, that you're leaning on there. It's one of our Heritage Series toolboxes there. If you move down further here, I've got welding equipment. We've got the dual 80 ratchets that I believe are the world's finest ratchets. On this side here, I've got test kits. I've got some spanner sets, I've got pry bars and screwdrivers. There's more hand tools up the top there. We have our range of hammers on the wall next to my office here.
I feel like a kid in a candy shop. It's really incredible, the range that you've got in such a small space. I think I could spend all day in here.
It's quite easy to do.
So apart from all the great products on here, what else do you get as a franchisee?
Well, we get a laptop computer that's a full list of the customers that we need to service each week. It gives us the ability to create lists of tools that customers may need. It allows us to do all of our invoicing, our stock ordering, and to look up details about products which customers may ask me about. Everything's in the one program, which is really easy to use and it's really user-friendly.
So full shop ready to go?
Absolutely.
So Danny, what about support from Snap-on?
Well, we run a couple of programs, Rick. There's the Rock and Roll Cabs Express and the Diagnostic Roadshow. The Rock and Roll Cabs Express is a program where we have a truck that's got larger tool storage than we'd ordinarily be able to fit into our trucks, and the Diagnostic Roadshow is a very similar thing for the more high-end diagnostic products that not everybody would stock. We also are given each month a monthly feature pack which has got our specials in it. This has got products that may or may not be something that people have been looking at, and they may be a little bit cheaper or have something free with the product that we have.
I notice you've got an electric tailgate on the back of the truck.
Yeah, we use that for loading tool storage on and off the truck. People that may want to purchase one of the units that we've got on there, or for air conditioning machines or anything on wheels that's large enough that we wouldn't want to be carrying it up the stairs.
Nice and handy.
Very much so.
It must be great jumping in your own truck, hitting the road and being your own boss.
Yeah, the freedom that it allows is fantastic. I get to go to places like Nissan Motorsport, but also the Warbirds Museum at Moorabbin Airport. I've got some really high-end marine customers. I've got dealerships, I've got bus mechanics, truck mechanics, guys that work on generators. So there's a huge range of customers from all walks of life, working on all kinds of different equipment and all using Snap-on tools.
Thanks, Danny. That sounds great. Becoming a Snap-on franchisee is a fantastic opportunity. So how does that sound? Do you think you have what it takes to become part of the Snap-on family? Take the Snap-on Discovery Tour today and find out how you can take advantage of becoming your own boss with all of the backing of a well-known quality brand like Snap-on.